Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video we'll discuss about best window material for house, types of material and comparison. After this video you will be able to choose your material for your house. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vinay, and if you are visiting my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for getting notifications of our latest videos. Let's start our video. Introduction. Modern window frames come in a wide variety of materials including vinyl, aluminium, fiberglass, composite, and traditional wood. The key question to ask yourself is what I am looking for in a window. Once you have answered this question, you can determine what material meets your needs. Three factors you should consider to guide your decision. They are climate zone, architecture style, and budget. Let us discuss in detail about these materials. Wood. Wood windows material are aesthetically pleasing and are effective insulators. They keep the cool inside while resisting the heat outside and vice versa. If you are looking for traditionally and historically accurate styling, wood is the best choice. Negativities of wood include susceptibility to wear in humid and rainy seasons and the maintenance required to keep their looks up. Wood expands and contracts in response to weathering, so sanding, painting, sealing will be necessary. Precautions. When shopping wood windows, make sure you check for easy window operation and corners that fit snug. Any exposed wood needs to be blemish free and you shouldn't see any visible finger joints. Next, vinyl. Vinyl frames are slowly chipping away the dominance of wood frames due to their affordability, superior insulation qualities, and relatively low maintenance requirements. Vinyl frames can be built to fit any size openings and can be created in limitless color options and clean with a simple spray of water and maybe a damp sponge. However, vinyl does have some drawbacks. In hot climates, vinyl windows can be susceptible to warping during hot summers. Additionally, some homeowners simply do not like their look. Precautions. When choosing vinyl frames, look for uniform color throughout the frame. Joints should be heat welded rather than fastened or screwed together. Next, aluminum. Aluminum frame windows offer the same affordability and low maintenance that vinyl does, but adds increased durability. They won't warp in heat and can withstand the tropical storms. However, aluminum frames also conduct heat and are prone to condensation in winter. Precautions. If you decide to go with aluminum windows, make sure you choose a model that has thermal barrier in the frame. This is a strip of rubber or plastic that separates the inside and outside the frame to help limit heat condensation and conduction. Next, wood clad. Wood clad frames combine the durability of other materials with the insulation value of wood. This is accomplished by constructing the exterior portion of the frame from strong, low maintenance materials while the interior is made with wood. The result is a low maintenance frame with a high insulation value. Next, composite material. Composite frames are composed of a mixture of wood byproducts and plastic. In appearance, they come close to their wood counterparts. Performance wise, they are structurally sound, effective insulators, and low maintenance. They match or surpass the thermal resistance of wood. They are made up of wood byproducts and composite frames. They handle moisture well in subtropical climate zones. Next, fiberglass. Fiberglass frames are durable and offer excellent thermal resistance. These frames are resistant to corrosive air pollutants and will not warp due to temperatures or moisture. They are suitable for industrial or coastal environments. Fiberglass and composite can go head to head as far as insulation. both outperform the wood. The downsides of fiberglass is the cost, even though they are more affordable than wood. Precautions. As with vinyl frames, make sure you choose fiberglass frames with heat welded joints, not fastened joints. Fastened or screwed together joints will always be outclassed by permanent heat welded options. Conclusion. At the starting of the discussion, we told about 3 factors you should consider to guide your decision. They are climate zone, architecture style, and budget. After all these explanations, you weigh the pros and cons of each material and decide which is best for you. Okay, if you have learned something new from this video, give a like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon. See you in the next video. Thank you.